If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab her well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and... So first to the face, I hear the voice now, you don't know say a KOGENCY, but the KOGENCY reacts channel. And today, we have Horrid1, Sav'O with Wildest. Now, bro, I feel like every time I react to these guys' video, fam, the man them always have to find some type of odd way for just explain their violence, dog. And I'm always baffled. I don't know how to keep up. Or if I even should keep up, bro, like, why am I keeping up with all this violence, dog? You know? Why? Do I need therapy? Nah, I'm not sure, bro. But God no, man. When I listen to Horrid1 and Sav'O, bro, it's like, people are actually like this in real life. Like, people actually get up and think of these things. Madness, fam. Yo, but listen, man. That's why I jump in it right now. Hit that like button or dislike button and jump in the comments. Can I reply to all the comments? Let's see if they're the real Wildest in West. No Central C. As in not a diss to Central C, but like a pun. Because you know these niggas, they have beef with Central C. A mixtape madness production by Don Crab. Ghosty. This beat sounds D-Money. That's T.Y. Sav'O, Taze, Wildest. Fam, that's crazy that he has a bat in his hand and they went to jail for having bats in their trunk. That's crazy. You're going back to jail!
Shit. 400 wrist to drop, but I never ain't talk about rap. I'm talking about on the up piece, get round shotgun with a lever. I could've done better. When I caught my man, I could've drenched them better. My black babe was wet, my foot was wetter. Didn't think he'll survive the chef. I gotta shout AJT on that flow. Cause he started that one. 22-inch black blade, but the whole 9 kin. I started that one, catch me up, I'll tap one. Praying a few minutes later, I'll pack one. The man them just cop like 4 more things. It's about time Hancho tap one.
Fam, I don't think that the Lord and Almighty Savior, you understand? Whether you're Christian or Muslim, bro. You understand? I don't think they will appreciate you praying that the nigga's dead. At least just like think it. But you're going to actually pray it. Like you're going to pray to him and say, please let him die. Like what? Dog. What? Channel that. Like the man them say, oh, after a drill, I pray for my sins. Or I pray I don't get back. Man said he's praying that he goes. Praying. Nah, man. Don't pray about that, bro. That's blasphemy, bro. Swear down.
Chase man on the wing like Ashley did. Only difference is I'm attacking. In the space for set, put 3 of them punks on my knees. Don't tell me about stabbings. Bear man screaming Wild West, but it ain't on nothing. Wild they're capping. Read the reason that West is wild. That's nothing but facts on 100 stabbings and slappings. Ask how we slap.
Hunch. Horrid. Bro. I hope it's not you do all those 100 stabbings, you know, bro. I hope you weren't involved. At least have like a 15%. Like, man, 100 stabbings for you alone, dog. I can't, man. Like, you see what I mean? And they talk about Wild West. I knew they were going to diss him.
Punks on my knees, don't tell me about stabbings. Bear man screaming Wild West, but it ain't on nothing. Wild they're capping. Read the reason that West is wild. That's nothing but facts on 100 stabbings and slappings.
100.
That's how we slapped up his yard. No, I ain't capping. Them bullets just crashed through a whip when Broski lean out the riding.
Well, bro, if you didn't censor his name, I could have asked him, fam. But you muted his name, so how can I ask him now? I can't ask him again. So you ask him how you shut up his yard or wet up his yard. Because you obviously know what happened, so just tell me then. Don't send me go ask anybody any questions. You tell me.
We slapped up his yard. No, I ain't capping.
You tell me.
Them bullets just crashed through a whip when Broski lean out the riding. See Wentles crashing, they kept on dashing. The man them chef down. Just left my ped, no NHS. 2 hands on the mash, start clapping. I'm from a block where bells get pressed.
Clap for the NHS, man. These guys made the NHS work so hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, Horrid1, stop, bro.
Just left my ped, no NHS. 2 hands on the mash, start clapping. I'm from a block where bells get pressed. and get chef. I can't lie, it's a mess, but what can I say? It's the Wild Wild West.
How you talk so much when you ain't got bread? Stress. How? Talk less. The life I live is intense. Done most of my teenage years in the pen.
I'm from a block where bells get.
Of course you did most of your teenage years in the pen, bro. What? Nah, man. Man. These guys say it like, and then he said it like, you know, I done most of my teenage years in the pen. I wasn't outside enjoying life. I was locked in a cage. Yeah, I'm a big man. Like, bro. Nah, fam. Stop.
Talk less. The life I live is intense. Done most of my teenage years in the pen.
Huh?
From a block where bells get pressed and get chef. I can't lie, it's a mess, but what can I say? It's the Wild Wild West.
How you talk so much when you ain't got bread? Stress. Talk less. The life I live is intense. Done most of my teenage years in the pen. It's only us in the south side that acting. Nobody else in west is wild. I ain't go round in circles. I back my verbal real life. I get niggas down. They say that they're winning. They must be joking. I swear I'm embarrassed to beef these clowns. But let me not call it beef. Just bullying neeks. They run, get caught and drown.
Aye, he's flowing. I like that.
I ain't go round in
No. Come on.
years in the pen. It's only us in the south side that acting. Nobody else in west is wild. I ain't go round in circles. I back my verbal real life. I get niggas down. They say that they're winning. They must be joking. I swear I'm embarrassed to beef these clowns. But let me not call it beef. Just bullying neeks. They run, get caught and drown. In blood, if the medics ain't quick, they're fucked. I got my temper from my pups and hunch. If we tripped up, then he would've turned.
What?
Be joking. I swear I'm embarrassed to beef these clowns. But let me not call it beef. Just bullying neeks. They run, get caught and drown. In blood, if the medics ain't quick, they're fucked. I got my temper from my pups and hunch. If we tripped up, then he would've turned bud. How you sitting on your bum with your pockets are brat?
What the fuck you bum?
I can't get buzzed on. I'm the op that the pagans run from. My man had it, but still got dumped on. Everybody safe when I got my gloves on. Do draw up, but don't draw.
Bro, hard one. Don't hit me with that back, bro. Like, I have a headache and like, you know what I'm saying? Don't do that, bro.
Pagans run from. My man had it, but still got dumped on. Everybody safe when I got my gloves on. Do draw up, but don't draw. Stick to love songs. Ain't in the street, so yo, stop rapping it. Easy targets, and man.
Man say do drill, but you don't drill, so stick to love songs. Like, fam. Like, can they leave Central C alone? Oh my days. And then it's like the new Digga D leak will come out talking about chefing up his brother and manage and went to jail for that little fucker. I'm like, bro, like, fam. What's going on, bro? This is way too much, fam.
Got my gloves on. Do draw up, but don't draw. Stick to love songs. Ain't in the street, so yo, stop rapping it. Easy targets, and man ain't challenging. When I saw it, instantly savaged it. All of this chat that I chat, I'm back in it. Spot me up on sight, I'm attacking him. She ain't got backs, I ain't tapping it. We ain't rap battling, we the West savages.
Oh, I told you he was flowing. The entire verse he was flowing.
I can't get buzzed on. I'm the op that the pagans run from. My man had it, but still got dumped on. Everybody safe when I got my gloves on. Do draw up, but don't draw. Stick to love songs. Ain't in the street, so yo, stop rapping it. Easy targets, and man ain't challenging. When I saw it, instantly savaged it. All of this chat that I chat, I'm back in it. Spot me up on sight, I'm attacking him. She ain't got backs, I ain't tapping it. We ain't rap battling, we the West savages.
I'm from a block where bells get pressed and get chef. I can't lie, it's a mess, but what can I say? It's the Wild Wild West.
How you talk so much when you ain't got bread? Stress. Talk less. The life I live is intense. Done most of my teenage years in the pen.
I'm from a block where bells get pressed and get chef.
Up raps.
I can't lie, it's a mess, but what can I say? It's the Wild Wild West.
How you talk so much when you ain't got bread? Stress. Talk less. The life I live is intense. Done most of my teenage years in the pen.
Aye. Most of my years in the pen. Most of my years for my friends. Now on my life to end. I'm joking. I was just rhyming. But listen, man. I told you. As in, Sav'O gave us the flows. He gave us the flows. And Horrid1, dog, he just gave us the lines. We have to be like, why are you saying stuff like that, dog? Like, what is wrong with you? No, I'm being serious, dog. Like, do you not... Like, you're going to go through the rest of your life like this? You can't live like this, bro. You know what I'm saying? And you talking... I was going to say you need to find God, but you're already talking to God. You're already praying for niggas to die after you ying them up or whatever. And then you're telling me to go and ask somebody how you wet up his yard. How am I supposed to ask him that? I don't know him. Jesus, man. And then you censored his name as well, so it's not even like I can go look him up on Instagram and DM him and be like, yo, bro, how did Horrid1 wet up your yard, fam? Like, tell me, bro, because he said it in the song. I should ask you. Like, I can't do that. Nah, man. Listen, man. I think that's enough violence for the day. No, because you see, like, my mood just changed, bro. I swear to you, that's enough violence for the day, dog. I can't do it anymore. You know? So just hit that like button or dislike button and jump in the comments, dog. You understand? And if you don't do it, I'm going to call Horrid1 and Sav'O for you, bro. I swear to you. Because you know these niggas come to Jamaica, bro. Well, no, they got Trinidad, but Trinidad is right around the road, so I just call them up and make them take out. You understand? Don't let me have to call Horrid1 and Sav'O for you, bro. So hit the like or dislike button and jump in the comments. You understand? All right. KOGENCY on the KOGENCY Reacts channel. And about this motherfucker, right?
Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah.